So my plan is to follow this street, see what it is. And we're in Chongqing, China. There is Raffles Hotel. There's a street light that looks like it's going to be going up pretty soon. And we have this beautiful bridge that you can walk across and see the other side from. Big orange bridge right there. Construction. And some more cool stuff. And I saw a cable car just go down as well. The cable car must go from way up there somewhere and going across. So anyways, stay tuned. We'll show you a little bit of Chongqing.
Oh, oh, Chongqing. I want to see Chongqing.
Chongqing, China, one of my favorite cities in all of China. And in this particular one, I'm going to show you where I think I'm at on the map. Actually, I kind of know, but we're going to be going into these hills because Chongqing has lots of terrain that's up and down and everywhere around. So it's hard to stay on one particular road when there's always kind of something interesting to see what's around. And I'm going to be doing that here. So you're going to see me kind of exploring, and all of a sudden I end up in an apartment building that I didn't expect, and I'm kind of walking along the ridge, you know, with a view, but I didn't start out that way and wasn't really my plan. But that's what makes it all fun. And then at the end I kind of come across into something that I didn't expect as well. So so this is kind of an interesting little experience that's kind of common in Chongqing and makes it so interesting and desirable for me to explore and for others as well. Anyways, I'm going to be setting it up with some music first so you can see some of the highlights of it, and then you'll hear me do the walk and talk where I'm kind of trying to figure this out as things are like that anyways in Chongqing. Okay, Chongqing, let's check it all out.
Take me down the alleys, take me away. Take me anywhere, take me, take me, take me. Chongqing, baby. Oh, I'm in Chongqing, baby. Chongqing. Chongqing.
Okay, Chongqing. This is this bridge. Pretty cool. That street light will be going up, and we got 15 seconds to get across, so we're gonna go across right now. And then we're just gonna walk this hill. We'll see what this street is. Traffic jam. So Raffles is up that way. Why is that guy honking? It's a red light, you can't go anywhere. Now they can, but... Okay, so what our target is going to be, there's a lot of people walking across, and there's a cable car. Let me just see if I can catch it. There's a cable car line that goes all the way out this way, and I just saw a cable car. So they must be coming up from up there somewhere. So let's walk up. Maybe we'll see it. But no matter what, we're gonna see a little bit more of Chongqing. It's like a lot of like little mom and pop shops. This one looks like it's for tourists. And they got like this little, this is very popular everywhere here. You can just dissolve it in your hot water at home, I guess. Okay, so let me see, we're gonna open up into a plaza right here. The rooftops. There's a little tuk-tuk. Playing with kids. So we'll see what this street is called in a little bit. People do drive on the sidewalks here and they park as well. Okay. So we're gonna go all the way up here. Let's see. Couldn't tell you what street we're on. Haven't seen any street signs. I am looking though. Looks like we're kind of stuck here at the moment because it's 57 seconds. But then we're going to come into something kind of cool. Now we'll just navigate up. Unfortunately, I won't be able to tell you the name of the street because I never saw it for this one. Okay. Kind of got, there's a tour hotel, like I saw that. 22 seconds, he's getting across. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk across into that, to the left over that way. Okay. 3, 2, 1. There we go. And now we're on our way. Food. See, Chongqing kind of goes up a lot. There's all these kind of stairways everywhere. And I guess we are random Chongqing, I guess we'll call this one. Looks like we do have some street names here. This is, oh, okay, so now I can see. So this would actually go up to the Yangtze River Cableway. Right there. You gotta be careful, sometimes there's like rats that come out and stuff like this. Okay, so we could go down this alley or we could go up these steps. I kind of want to go up the steps though. I think they're playing card games. So I think what we're going to do is go all the way up these steps. So we'll follow. And I think this goes up to the cable cars. And yeah, and if you're in Chongqing, you're going to have to use steps a lot. So I'm kind of running up them a little bit. And I think I've been in here before. I was in Chongqing about 5 years ago and I saw some really cool stuff like this, like up in the neighborhoods. I think we're gonna see the cable car somewhere around in here as well. And you can see all these tall apartments everywhere. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wander through this a little bit. And I think, I have to catch my breath. I think there's a spot for the cable cars. but I can't make any guarantees. But we'll just explore Chongqing and see what we can see. More steps. Oh, I think this comes to an ending. I don't know if I can go any further. Well, I don't know. I'm sure this goes down to something I can get out, but then again, maybe it doesn't. I'm sure it does. So anyways, we started at the bridge, and this is kind of the typical Chongqing experience, because my second visit here, and you just never really know where things go. And when I was talking to a foreigner, he was kind of telling me that too, that he was it's like, yeah, I think I need a week just to figure out the streets and how this goes. You might be right. So anyways, well, you can see some nice images of that bridge though. So it looks like we're just gonna have to just go right back down, and this was just a little space to get up into these apartments that the locals live in and such. But it's pretty cool. I guess that guy lives right there because that's for that mannequin. Okay, so on that note, can't believe that, you know, they get these views, right? At nighttime that must be amazing. And we're gonna end this video. So hopefully that was interesting at some level.
Oh, oh, Chongqing, I wanna see Chongqing. Oh, oh, Melly wanna see Chongqing, Chongqing, oh yeah.